Did you know that it took me 19 months of consistent content creation to reach 1,000 followers on Instagram organically? It seems like a long time, doesn't it? Especially if you're just at the very beginning of your content creation journey. In this video, I will share with you my strategies that I would implement if I were to start my Instagram account from zero to grow faster organically. Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or a working mama, then you've come to the right place. I believe that organic growth is the hardest but certainly most rewarding, and every single content creator needs to realize that there are no shortcuts when it comes to building your reputation and credibility on social media. Looking back at my journey so far, I realized that there were things that I could have definitely done to grow faster. I promise you, if you consistently implement every single one of my strategies, then it won't take you 19 months to hit your first 1,000 followers. If you're new to my channel, my name is Veronica. I'm a multi-passionate entrepreneur, a content creator, and a boss mama. And if you're ready to learn about my organic growth strategies, make sure to like this video and tune in. Strategy number 1, engage more. Engagement is highly favored by Instagram algorithm, and if you want your audience to engage with your content so that Instagram picks it up and pushes it out there into the world, then you have to spread the love and engage first. You can do everything right and optimize every single one of your posts by using the right tags and hashtags, and wait for your people to come to you and find you and appreciate your content one day maybe. Or you can take a step further and get out there and look for your people. By the way, optimizing your content is very important, and I have an entire video where I share with you exactly what I do to optimize every single one of my Instagram posts. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link in the description so you can add it to your watch list. If I were to start my account from scratch again, I would definitely be engaging with accounts in my niche from the get-go. I would engage 30 minutes in the morning, 30 minutes in the afternoon, and 30 minutes at night. I would engage with accounts I love and follow. I would engage with accounts that follow me. I would go into hashtags and engage with accounts over there. I'd talk to people in the comments. I'd send out DMs. I'd start conversations, build connections 3 times a day, every single day. But please remember that commenting with emojis is not good enough, or copying and pasting cookie cutter responses is also not good enough. You have to be thorough, because trust me, people smell through the BS and they always sense ulterior motives. If you feel like you can only do that, then you're wasting your time. Yes, you want to grow. That's why you're getting out there and engaging with a lot of people on social media. But there's so much more to that. You have to get out there and look for people you can connect with, learn from, and get inspired by. I found so many like-minded women on Instagram that I consider friends now. But in order for that to happen, you have to be genuine, because you never know how people that you meet online can impact your life, your brand, and your business in the most positive way. It brings me to strategy number 2, collaborate more. If I were to start from scratch again, I definitely wouldn't be waiting to hit that certain number of followers to approach people, or wait to be approached for collaborations. I would slide into people's DMs, create conversations, lead with value, create my own opportunities, and hustle. Strategically collaborating with online communities and content creators will propel your growth, because you will be able to get in front of their audience and vice versa. I'm not a huge fan of following loops or similar tactics, but that's just my preference. I prefer to lead with value and attract new followers through educational content. I have done Instagram story hops and takeovers. I have created an Instagram live show called Connect to Inspire, where I interview inspirational women that I know my audience will definitely learn and benefit from. No matter how many followers you have right now, I want you to put together a collaboration plan. Do a live show, a podcast, collaborate on blog posts, do Instagram story takeovers, find creators in your niche, and create value-driven, engaging content together. I've done an Instagram story takeover for an established online community for Muslim women, and I gained 300 followers overnight. Collaboration, it's where it's at. There's so much to gain, nothing to lose. All you have to do is stop overthinking it and get creative. Thirdly, I would definitely create more video content. It took me so long to start creating video content besides showing up on my stories. I have no excuse. I went to film school. I might as well do something with that degree. But in all seriousness, video content is very powerful. My organic growth rate has doubled ever since I've committed to producing consistent video content. Your audience will get to know you and trust you faster if you choose to show up on video. Trust me, it's so much easier to scroll past and overlook a static image. When I look at my own content consumption behavior, 9 times out of 10, I will stop scrolling if it's a video. I will check it out for at least 10 seconds, and if it intrigues me, I'll stick around to the end. If you've been shying away from creating video content, then I have a perfect resource for you. I've created an entire video where I share with you my tips to help you get more comfortable in front of the camera. I'm gonna go ahead, leave the link in the description so you can check it out after this video. Let's move on to my next strategy. Do live videos. This is just another form of video content, but even more people stay away from doing live videos because doing live videos can be scary, and that's why you have to do them. Not many people do them, which means less competition, more opportunities to grow and rank higher in Instagram algorithm. You can do solo lives as well as go live with people, just like I do for Connect to Inspire show. Once you take that step out of your comfort zone and do one live video, then you'll see that it's not as scary as it seems. Don't worry about people not turning up. They will, as long as you let them know that the live is happening as well as the date and the time. All you have to do is get yourself in the right mind frame, deliver what you've prepared, and if no one turns up, don't worry about it because there is always a replay. Next time, more people will show up and it'll continuously get better each time. All you have to do is make a start. And on this positive note, we finally get to my final organic growth strategy, which is create shareable content. We tend to focus solely on our likes and comments when we evaluate the performance of our posts, but there is another statistic that we really should be paying attention to: the saves and shares. You want to create content that is so good that people want to spread the word and share your content just because it made an impact on them. My best performing content is the one that gives out strategy and shares practical tips, very much like this video. That's why I try to create more of it. Also, people are more likely to share quotes rather than perfectly curated images of your face, but that's exactly why I like giving women in my community options. I will have a photo that, in my opinion, fits perfectly within my grid, but I will also create a carousel and add the second image where I share the most punchiest and quotable line out of my caption. And that way, if my content speaks to the reader and they feel compelled to share it, they will have the option to share the quote. These are my top 5 organic growth strategies that I really should have implemented when I started my Instagram account 2 years ago. If you found this video helpful, let me know by liking it, commenting, and sharing it with a friend. Help me spread the word so I can help more content creators and entrepreneurs to follow their passion, take action, and start working for their dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here, and if you want to learn more about content creation and personal development, make sure you check out these playlists over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.